Hello, I'm Koontz Jr., and today we're going to take a brief look at the Microsoft PowerToys utility, the Text Extractor. This utility can be used to copy text from an image to paste elsewhere. To begin, hit the keybind Windows plus Shift plus T. This will immediately bring up the capture window, similar to taking a screenshot. To exit the screenshot mode, you can simply press the X button on the toolbar, or hit the Escape key. Once you've selected what text you're interested in copying, it is immediately added to your clipboard. Use the paste command or Ctrl-V to paste the captured text. Do note that this tool is not perfect and some edits may be required. Extremely complex font may also be problematic for it to decipher. The Text Extractor utility has two additional modes aside from its base functions. You can select the mode before taking the shot, and it will attempt to set up the clipboard for that styling. This option will attempt to fit everything into one line, like this. This option will attempt to fit everything into a table for you, like this. From my experience, the table copy option doesn't seem to work very well. However, it might just be the data that I'm attempting to copy. Do note that the utility can only properly capture languages that have the OCR language pack installed. Otherwise, it may not work at all for your text grab.